Hello everyone, Earl here with Davie Financial Services. I'd like to talk to you today about two terms that are used in the insurance industry. The first term I'd like to talk about is full coverage. In this industry, you'll hear the term full coverage, but honestly, in this agency, we believe it's a myth. Kind of like Bigfoot. You've heard about it, but you've never really seen it. So what we've seen is we've experienced people having a different understanding of what full coverage is. I've had a gentleman tell me once that it meant every single thing that is offered by an insurance company is included. I had another gentleman tell me if he has an accident that he has no out-of-pocket expenses. The truth of the matter is, usually if you hear the term full coverage, what they're really talking about is coverages for liability damages and for physical damage on your vehicle. Your liability damages have limits, and your physical damage can have deductibles, and with that means depending on the way you chose to create your policy, you may have out-of-pocket expenses. So this is my point. Do not assume that the best protection was provided just because the term full coverage was used. A lot of people might hear that and find out that if you don't have an agent that truly cares about your needs, you may not get the protection that you think you have. Now, the second term I want to talk about today is the policy declarations. You might have heard of it called the Dec Page. I usually get the same response when I ask people for their Dec Page is, what's that? And it's pretty common that most people don't understand what it is. The policy declaration or Dec Page, it's a summary that outlines all the important information about your policy. The main terms, not the legalities of it, but the basic information such as, who are the drivers on the policy? What vehicles are included on the policy? What coverage does each vehicle have? And not to mention other coverages as well. But it also includes, your policy term. That's when the policy starts, when the policy ends. And it also provides you with your policy number. So if anyone would like to learn more about these terms and the best ways to protect yourself and your family, give us a call or stop on by here at the office. We'd love to work with you. We have an awesome staff just waiting to discuss things that will help protect your family.